All right, so for this one, I got to set it equal to 0. So, but before I do that, I'm going to have to multiply this out before I factor it, which is kind of weird. I think the answer is 7 and negative 6 or something, but I'm going to push this through. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 1 is negative x, and that's equal to 42. Then I'm going to subtract 42 from both sides. And so I get x squared minus x minus 42 equals 0. So now for this one, we could do guess and check. We could do the AC method, but this one's easy. You can do guess and check. I got x squared here, negative 42. Well, this has to be x times x. And then two numbers that when I multiply them together, they equal negative 42, but when I add them up, they equal negative 1, right? Because there's a negative 1 here. Well, that would mean negative 7 and 6. That gives me a positive 6 here, and then it gives me a negative 7x here. So then that would be x minus 7 times x plus 6 equals 0. So then I set these both equal to 0. Set this equal to 0. And so I get x equals 7 and x equals negative 6. I could double check this real quick. Just plug it into the calculator. So for this one, I need to plug it in the expression that's set equal to 0, which is going to be x squared minus x minus 42. I got it zoomed in kind of tight. It's okay if I don't see the whole graph. I just need to see where it crosses. So again, it crosses at negative 6 and 7. So if I take this photo right here, where does it cross? Well, it crosses at the point, this is 1, negative 2, negative 3, 4, 5, negative 6. So this is negative 6, comma 0. And then over here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that would be 7, comma 0. Negative 6, positive 7. And that is it.